Video, I'm going to walk you guys step-by-step guide on how you can trade a triangular arbitrage in Binance exchange. Now, before we start, what is triangular arbitrage? So triangular arbitrage is a trading strategy that exploits price discrepancies between three currencies or assets. All right. So before we go into the main thing, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. So let's dive in. So you can use any token of yours to perform a triangular arbitrage. So what I'm going to do over here, you come to market. So any coin you want to use. So I have a coin called, I think it's banana, right? Banana. So, okay, let me just paste it. I think I copy it. So I'll paste it. Right. So let me check over here. Let me wait for it. So you can see banana USDT, right? So I'm going to click on it. So once I click on it, you come to more. So once you come to more, you come to compare market. So right now we are going to compare the price. The price is here. So you can see the price difference. You can see banana BTC is at $20.36, while banana USDT is at $20.27. So what we are going to do over here, we have to buy banana USDT, right? So you click on here and click on buy. So let's say you are buying this banana USDT worth of $200, right? It gives us 9.861 banana. So what you do now, you copy this, right? You click on copy. Once you click on copy, then we are going to go back and set it at BTC, right? Banana BTC. All right. So this is what you do, right? Then you click on this dot. So automatically it's going to take you here, right? Let's allow it to load. All right. Then you come to more again. Then you come to compare market. So you come over here and paste on banana BTC, right? So when you click on banana BTC, so you allow it to load, right? So once it loads, then you will come to say, then you come to say, then you paste that amount that you copy here. You paste the amount here. So once you paste it, right? So after when you paste it, right? You paste the amount. So this is the amount of banana BTC that we are going to sell, so that we can get this BTC. Then we go ahead and copy this, right? We go ahead and copy this back again. Then we are going to sell our BTC back to USDT. So how are we going to do that? So we click on here again, right? Then once you copy the amount, right? So you come over here again to market, then you search BTC USDT, right? So you come to BTC USDT, all right? So you allow it to load. So we are going to sell this time around. So we are going to sell our BTC back to USDT. Then you click on sell, then you paste the amount. Then we paste the amount. So this is how when you put your amount here, right? That the one that you are going to put the amount here, the one you copied, right? So you can see the profits that we made. So we started with $200, and you can also see our profit of $200.812800. So you can do this over and over again. So that is how you can make more profit in it if you do it over and over. So if you learned something new in this video, don't forget to like this video, turn on the subscribe button, and hit on that notification bell, so that whenever I drop a content like this, you will be the first person to notify. Thank you guys, and don't also forget to drop your comments.